Ever wished you could instantly teleport yourself or your subject into any scene imaginable with just a few clicks on your PC? Stick around, because today we're diving into Capcut PC to master the art of effortlessly changing video backgrounds and unlocking a world of creative possibilities. First things first, open up Capcut PC and import the video clip you want to edit, drag, and drop it onto your timeline. Now, the magic happens with Capcut's built-in background removal tool. Select your video clip on the timeline. Head over to the toolbar above your preview window and find the Cutout option. Click on it. Within the Cutout options, you'll see Auto Cutout. This is your magic wand for separating your subject from the background. Click Auto Cutout. Watch as Capcut intelligently analyzes your video and automatically removes the background in most cases. It does a fantastic job right out of the box. See that? Your subject is now isolated, ready for a stunning new backdrop. Now, let's bring in our new background. You can either import your own image or video from your computer, or explore Capcut's extensive library of stock assets. Drag your chosen background onto the timeline, placing it on the track directly below your original video clip. And just like that, your subject is seamlessly blended into the new environment. If needed, select your subject clip again. You can then use the adjust tools to fine-tune its position, scale, or even apply subtle color corrections to make the integration even more perfect. You can also add other effects or text to further enhance your scene. Whether you're aiming for professional polish or just some creative fun, mastering background changes in Capcut PC opens up a universe of visual storytelling. So go ahead, experiment, and transform your videos into something truly unforgettable.